Welcome back to Nursing Career. Most people picture nurses working in a hospital or nursing home. Although direct patient care is the most common career route for nurses, it is far from the only one. The adaptability of a nursing degree can open doors to nursing jobs away from the bedside. In today's video, I will discuss some beyond the bedside nursing jobs. Here are 7 nursing, beyond the bedside careers worth considering once you earn your degree. Once you've identified the strengths you'd like to build upon, consider which nursing careers might be a good fit. Number 1. Informatics nurse. If you love constant changes, communication, and fresh learning, it might be a fantastic way to use your BSN to become an informatics nurse. As an informatics nurse, you will be responsible for assessing the hospital staff's needs to determine what technological updates are required in a healthcare facility. Number 2. Travel nurse. If adventure is calling your name, then travel nursing may be a good option for you. Travel nurses are needed because hospitals and other healthcare facilities can encounter gaps in their workforce due to staff training, staffing shortages, lengthy absences, and more. Here you'll have the flexibility and freedom to choose when and where you want to work. For example, if it's your dream to work as a nurse in the rainforest of Costa Rica, there's a good chance a travel nursing company can make it happen. Number 3. Forensic nurse. Forensic nurses are extremely detail-oriented and enjoy investigative problem-solving. They work within a variety of settings, such as hospitals, psychiatric institutions, anti-violence programs, and medical examiners' offices, and communities after natural disasters. As a forensic nurse, you will be tasked with assessing, screening, treating, and collecting forensic evidence from victims, including sexual assault. You may also be asked to testify in court about patients' medical information and evidence collected. Number 4. Nurse risk management. You can put your BSN to good use by becoming a nurse risk manager. Overall, this type of RN manages the risk of patients and medical facilities, but within that, they are required to educate and communicate with patients regarding treatments and possible complications. Outside hospitals, nurse risk managers can work within government agencies, long-term care facilities, consulting firms, and more. Number 5. Nurse recruiter. If you've ever been interested in the human resources side of healthcare, nurse recruiting could be a good fit for you. You may also be able to get employment as a freelance recruiter or with a recruitment business or agency. Within this position, you will be responsible for identifying, screening, and hiring nursing talent, staying up to date on the latest job search trends, negotiating salaries, and more. Number 6. School nurse. If you enjoy working with students of all ages, then you could become a school nurse. These types of nurses work in all educational institutions, including private schools, public schools, vocational schools, international schools, and U.S. military bases. Within this position, you will provide direct patient care to students and spend a good amount of your day promoting health and education. Number 7. Clinical research nurse. As a clinical research nurse, you'll study different aspects of the healthcare industry with the end goal of improving patient outcomes. Clinical research nurses work in a variety of settings, including hospitals, universities, pharmaceutical companies, research laboratories, and medical research organizations. Job responsibilities include collecting samples and vitals, recruiting participants, planning and implementing daily clinical procedures, and educating subjects. Along with a BSN, this job title requires several years of training in a research setting.